Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to install a rape escape and run it properly. So the first thing you need to do is of course get to the game page, and then you can click download on this. I've already downloaded it, and you need to scroll down, and if you see this link, just click on it. And you can scroll down when you have loaded the website, and here's a download button for the RTP. That's really important. You need that to run the game, so just click on it. I have it here. Alright, so when you have downloaded the stuff you need, just open the setup file for Rape Escape first. I've opened it. It's running in the background right now. Here it is. So you can put it anywhere you want. I'm just gonna put it in my desktop right now. Just click OK. Now it's actually installing. You can't see because yeah, it's installing in another. Yeah, here it is. That was it. And now it's loading for me. Let's see. Alright, so 1 second. I have it here in my desktop. Here it is. So you need to open this, and before running the game, you're gonna have to go to your file that's called RPG Maker, right? Or RPG VXA's RTP. Just open it, and then you click on that. You just have to run this. You don't need to extract anything. Just let that slide in. There we go. Now something will pop up. There you go. Alright. You click next, and next doesn't matter, and install. Then you've gotta wait, of course. This might take a while if your PC is slow. Doesn't really make a difference if your PC is faster or not. I'm just gonna have it ready. Let's see. I'm just gonna look at all that audio. Oh crap, it's all there. Holy shit. That's all the custom audio. Yeah, while it installs. And now it's done. So now that is done, you don't have to do anything about installing the RTP again. So now you can just run the game. I have it on here. There we go. And
Daniel, wake up, you fucking
it works. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you another day.